So I got my Xtool all set up here, and we're just going to do a video on how to install the laser module into our machine. This is the 20 volt or the 20 watt that I got. They do have the 10 and the 40, but we're going to go ahead and install the 20. Each module is the same exact thing, or same exact process, just a different power. So let's go ahead and open the plastic on this. All right, once that is unboxed, you're going to go ahead and open up the top of the laser, and we're going to make sure we have our laser module. We're going to need these screws for fixing the laser module into the unit, which are in this little Xtool accessory bin that came with it. So go ahead and slide the bar forward, and now you're going to be installing these two pieces right into there. So let's go ahead and attach those. All right, now that's attached, and I did not see these before. We're going to go ahead and remove the zip ties and the protecting sheet on it. All right, now that that's removed, go ahead and carefully pick up the laser module. This is a lot heavier than the module for the Glowforge. If you can see the little button right there, that is going to slide in to the insert there. So go ahead and do that. It kind of just clips into place. There we go. And you can see there's still a little give. It'll go up and down, and that is completely normal. Next, you'll want to take the little screws that I showed you before that come with the accessory box and screw these in. And you do have a special screwdriver that does come with the Xtool accessory box, which is in there. So go ahead and screw those in by using that screwdriver.